Meaning of democratization.
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 Democratization. Democratization refers to the process of making political systems or institutions more accessible and participatory to a greater number of people. It typically involves expanding voting rights, promoting free speech and press, and creating mechanisms for citizen participation in decision-making processes. The result of democratization is often greater political stability, economic growth, and social progress, as it allows for a wider range of perspectives and interests to be represented and addressed in the policymaking process. However, democratization can also be a complex and ongoing process with many challenges and setbacks along the way.